If you have an illness in your body, Hadith Uthman ibn al-As, may Allah be pleased with him, in Sahih Imam Muslim, I went to the Prophet ﷺ complaining of chest pain. And the Prophet told me to put my hand where it hurts from my body and say Bismillah 3 times. And then say 7 times, أعوذ بعزة الله وقدرته من شر ما أجد وأحاذر. Memorize it. And he said, I did this, and Allah Azza wa Jal believed me. Wallahi, I've said it so many times, I don't remember. On different parts of my body, aching, crazy. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Can you please repeat? Repeating it. You say, Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. And then you say, A'udhu bi'izzatillahi wa qudratihi min sharri ma ajidu wa uhadhir. Which translates to, I seek the refuge in Allah's pride and ability. These are attributes of Allah, and you cannot seek the refuge of anything except in Allah and His attributes. أعوذ بعزة الله وقدرته. Min shar, I seek refuge from the evil that I find or I'm afraid of. The evil of the things that I find, that means the illness, or what I'm afraid of. أعوذ بعزة الله وقدرته من شر ما أجد وأحاذر. It's narrated in Sahih Imam Muslim.